The Shiba Inu whales have gone completely bonkers once again. There have been some significant advancements in the sector. Things have been absolutely wild for the past day. The Shiba Inu population is exploding. Even more alarming for the entire cryptocurrency market is a crucial measure, the significance of which is astounding. There is a severe shortage of inventory on the exchange. Cryptocurrency is nearly completely sold out. However, what is really taking place? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Caution may indicate that the token is about to undergo a significant change. The bulls behind Shiba Inu made a bold statement when they bought around 3 trillion tokens in a single day, worth a whopping $53 million. There was a dramatic increase in purchases of the token on October 16th, suggesting that demand is rising again. Into the Block reports that this acquisition accounts for approximately 0.5% of the total Shiba Inu supply, signaling a critical change that may set off a market uptrend. The bulls weren't the only ones acting, though. Bears made $51 million from the sale of 2.86 trillion Shiba Inus that same day. There is still an oversupply of 81 billion Shiba Inu, notwithstanding the sale, because buyers outperformed sellers. The uptrend that started on October 12th is carrying over into this. A particularly encouraging development is that October has turned green, with Shiba Inu prices currently up 7% for the month, thanks to this robust buying demand. The Shiba Inu price experienced a 9% decline in the beginning of the month, but the bulls eventually came in and drove the price higher, which has been trending upwards since mid-September. There is opposition at 4.020 and beyond, but Shiba Inu is preparing to break out into the 4.019 range. Key pivot levels need to be protected to avoid a bearish reversal, but if the bulls can maintain this pressure, the Shiba Inu rise might go on. With the market for Shiba Inus back in full swing, investors are keeping a careful eye out for key resistance levels that could determine the breed's next big rise. Interestingly, though, a comparable phenomenon is also playing out in the wider cryptocurrency market. The most recent success of Bitcoin ETFs, which have achieved total net flows of more than $20 billion, has drawn attention to this noteworthy trend. This increase follows a remarkable infusion of $2 billion in a span of only 7 days, elevating the combined worth of these ETFs to a record-breaking $65 billion. This lightning-fast expansion shows how institutions are starting to see Bitcoin as a real asset class, especially when compared to the 5 years it took gold ETFs to achieve the same mark. This development has ramifications that go beyond Bitcoin. It has been speculated that Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies could be affected by the increasing interest in Bitcoin ETFs, as you may already be aware if you've been following us for some time. This is really taking place, and that's the intriguing part. The value of Shiba Inus is highly responsive to changes in the price of Bitcoin. Thus, keeping tabs on the market is crucial. If we divert our attention away from Bitcoin, anything involving Shiba Inus will be completely arbitrary. With such information in hand, the fun part can begin. Here we are at a pivotal juncture in the crypto ecosystem, thanks to everything happening with Bitcoin. As of right now, 95% of Bitcoin addresses are making money, according to Into the Block data. This has stoked positive enthusiasm in the market and serves as evidence of how strong the recent advance has been. Interestingly, when a large portion of addresses generate profits, it usually indicates a strong trend, which could indicate that more gains are on the way. On the other hand, it could be a warning sign. It is common for market corrections to occur after the market becomes this profitable. So after this, what happens? Is a market correction imminent? Or will Bitcoin continue its ascent to new heights? Cryptocurrency investors are on edge as they await Bitcoin's next major move. We need to investigate the present situation more thoroughly to understand the possible future of the market. Despite Bitcoin's price approaching its all-time high, an unexpected pattern is appearing according to Altcoin Daily. Bitcoin search volume has dropped to its lowest level in years. We must pay attention to this disparity since it is striking. Typically, when Bitcoin prices rise, there is a corresponding increase in chatter surrounding the cryptocurrency. Search volume often surges as new investors try to cash in on the rising trend. There appears to be a decline in internet activity surrounding Bitcoin despite its recent price spike. There may be a misalignment between market behavior and what the public wants. If there is this disparity, this may indicate a fantastic opportunity for seasoned investors. Buy low, sell high is an old saying that springs to mind. Since the general public is losing interest, those who have already put their money into the venture may be able to profit before the rest of the crowd does. It makes us wonder if the market is getting set to erupt again, or if people are getting complacent, and the next big thing will be a change in attitude. However, this indicator is likely the most important to think about at the moment. There has been a record drop in the reserves held by Bitcoin exchanges. This steep drop could signal an impending shortage, which in turn could drive up costs. A decrease in the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is usually a sign that investors are choosing to keep their holdings in cold storage. Because of the scarcity effect this produces, prices have tended to rise in the past. This limited supply has the potential to push Bitcoin prices higher if demand stays strong. See how the market responds to this decreasing supply in the weeks to come. We might be about to see a huge price spike if demand keeps going up. For SHIBA INU in particular, this has the potential to be a revolutionary development that sets off a chain reaction of interest. Famous Bitcoin early adopter Jeremy Da Vinci recently made news for his bullish forecast of meme coins like SHIBA INU and Dogecoin during this market cycle might potentially attain an unprecedented market capitalization of $1 trillion. To put it in context, the current market cap of Bitcoin is over $1 trillion, and this amount is barely below that. Considering the fantastic results these coins achieved in prior cycles, Da Vinci's claim has significant weight. As an example, Dogecoin's market cap was $89 billion at its all-time high, whereas SHIBA INU's was $40 billion. All things considered, these staggering numbers demonstrate that the meme coin market has enormous untapped potential for expansion. Investors in the meme coin community are more excited than ever before about Da Vinci's prediction, especially considering Dogecoin's recent 14% surge. The current market capitalization of Dogecoin is approximately $18 billion, whereas that of SHIBA INU is approximately $11 billion. Both coins have experienced recent declines despite the optimistic prediction. This shows how unpredictable the meme currency market can be, but it also shows how smart investors can profit from possible recoveries. Da Vinci's audacious forecast shows that people are starting to take meme coins seriously as an investment. If this is correct, then the meme coin industry may keep growing and luring in more investors. As time goes on and the market develops, these currencies are going from being spoken about as just a curiosity to being seen as real financial tools with potential. In a world where meme coins were once written off as a fleeting trend, Da Vinci's observations could signal a turning point for SHIBA INU and similar currencies. People are getting really excited because this might lead to a market cap of $1 trillion. Many are keeping a close eye on this situation, wondering if meme currencies like SHIBA INU can really ride this optimism wave and reach their maximum potential. We have been begging for this for quite some time, and finally it is here. No longer can people wait. The time for SHIBA INU to act is now. But I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. Leave a comment and tell us what you think. Click on one of the videos on the screen if you're interested in finding out more. After that, the video comes to a close. Please enable the channel's notification bell if you found the video enjoyable. Avoid losing money by not paying attention to essential SHIBA INU updates. The more people you can get to watch this video, the better. We need to spread the word about this.